Welcome back to Spring Into Math 8. I'm Mr. Burns. Today's topic is slope-intercept form. Let's go ahead and dive right in. Here are the really important parts of slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form has a very specific equation that it works with, and it's listed here for us. It is y equals mx plus b. Now, we have to learn about what some of those values mean, or those variables mean. In this case, we're working with algebra and the alphabet. M is always going to be your slope. So whatever number or fraction you see in front of the x value, remember, that is our slope. And b is where our y-intercept is. Now, the y-intercept is when you graph the line exactly where it crosses on the graph on the y-intercept. These are two very important things, and I would make sure to write them down as we're going to be using them in this lesson. Okay, let's look at some examples here. The first equation we're looking at is y equals negative 4x minus 2. And here we're asking our students, and especially you here on the screen here, to fill in what is the slope and what is the y-intercept here, and we can actually find these things just by looking at our equation here. So remember, our slope is the number that's in front of the x value. In this case, it's negative 4. Okay, now, our y-intercept is that second number. And remember, the y-intercept is where when that equation is graphed, where the line crosses the y-intercept. And in this case, it's negative 2. All right. So we can say here that the slope is negative 4 and the y-intercept is 2. Pretty easy, right? Try this one on your own. Here's the equation. Y equals 3x plus 7. Go ahead and pause the video, fill in the slope and the y-intercept, and turn it back on when you're ready for the answer. All right, what did you get? Well, my answer for slope is 3, because that's the number in front of the x value. And the answer for the y-intercept is 7. That is the number here on the end. Pretty simple. Sometimes linear equations have to be rewritten into slope-intercept form. And remember, that form we're working with is y equals mx plus b. If it's not in that form, it can at times be difficult to decipher or find the slope and the y-intercept. Here's my example. I have y minus 5 plus 3x. So in order to put this in y-intercept form, we're going to add positive 5 to each side of our equation. And we get y equals 3x plus 5. Ask yourself, can you find the slope? Can you find the y-intercept in our new equation? Absolutely you can. The slope is 3 and the y-intercept is positive 5. All right, last example we're going to take a look at here. We have 2x plus y equals 17. And we need to rewrite this equation in order to put it in the right form, which is y equals mx plus b. So all we need to do in this case is to add negative 2x to both sides of our equation. And now we have y equals negative 2x plus 17. We should know from our practice that the slope is negative 2 and that the y-intercept is positive 17. That's it for today, friends. Catch you next time.